Good morning, traders, and welcome to Daily Call today, Wednesday, the 9th of May. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in the session that's just gone by. And locally, retail sales disappointed, coming in at 0% compared to the 0.2% forecast, as the Aussie USD crashed through to new lows and touching 74.30. The US dollar rally is strong at the moment, and the soft numbers did not help. From the budget release, the highlights were tax relief for low and middle income earners, $75 billion towards transport infrastructure, and finally continuing to guarantee the Medicare benefits schedule, so the commitment towards that. Moving along, and let's have a look at what's happened in the US. This is pretty much where all the major news happened, and it came from Mr. President Trump's speech as he announced that the US will be exiting from the Iran nuclear agreement, which was launched in 2015. He went further, stating that the US will be instituting the highest level of economic sanctions on Iran, and that any nation that helps Iran in the quest for nuclear weapons could also be strongly sanctioned by the US. Immediately, France, Germany, and the UK came out in support of the nuclear agreement from 2015 and urged the US to reconsider its exit. So there you have it. That was all the turmoil last night. Time now to have a look at our chart of the day, and the chart that I found for us this morning is the US Swiss on a daily time scale. You can see from the chart that I'm showing you here, it appears that we have the potential to make a double top. So let's see if we zoom in and see what's happening at the top there. If we get the correct price action activity, it could signal a trade for us. As I zoom in, we can clearly see that I have already formed the inside candle situation that I am basically looking for. And we can place our pending order at the break of the low of this candle over here. Should it happen, well then we're triggered and we're in. Should the current candle break the top side, well then it would be a no trade. Make sure you go back and cancel out your pending order. Incidentally, yesterday's pending order, we broke on the wrong side of the candle, which basically meant that we had to go back and cancel, so that was deleted from the system as well. Today's chart of the day is the US Swiss on a daily time scale. Let's have a look at what's happening in the session, which is about to kick off. We have tonight at 10:30 from the US, we have the PPI numbers, and then pretty much all the rest of the news happens early tomorrow morning, but it will be before I get to you. Well, first of all, actually at 12:30, just after midnight, we have from the US crude oil, and then as I was saying, at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning from New Zealand, we have their RBNZ rate statement, the interest rate decision, and the policy statement, followed closely at 8 o'clock in the morning by their press conference. Now, I will not get an opportunity to speak to you before that, so I'm just letting you know that that is on the cards. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. There will be no daily call Thursday and Friday. I will be back on Monday, and I'll speak to you then. Bye for now.